So welcome back guys in this GLPT series where you learn about Japanese, and today is our class number 15 and it is GLPT N5 level Japanese grammar, and it is our chapter number 4, and in this chapter we will learn about Kochira, Sochira, Achira and Dochira. So the meaning of Kochira is this way, here, this person or this thing near the speaker, and the Sochira means that way, there, that person or that thing near the listener. And Achira means over there, that way over there, that person far from both the speaker and the listener. And Dochira is which way, which one, who. Polite form of doko and dare. So let's learn when and why it is used. So it is used to indicate directions and location politely. So instead of using koko, soko, asoko, and doko, the Kochira series sounds more polite and more formal. So it is used in customer service, business settings, and polite speech. So to refer a person politely, so instead of saying この人、あの人、こちらの方 sound more respectful. So to refer an object or choice, so instead of using これ、それ、あれ, and どれ when speaking politely. So these words can be used with nouns, adjectives, and verbs. So for example, Kochira no hon desu means this is a book, used with a noun. And Kochira ni kitte kudasai means please come this way. It is used with verbs. And Kochira ga ii desu means this one is good, used with an adjective. So let's see, it is formal and informal usage. So Kochira, Sochira, Achira, Dochira sound more polite and are used in formal situations. For example, Kochira wa watashi no zoshi desu means this is my boss. And for informal or casual speech, instead of Kochira, we often use koko, soko, asoko, and doko. So koko wa watashi no heya desu dayo means this is my room. So now let's see some examples. Example 1 is こちらは私の家です means this is my house. And the next example is そちらは図書館ですか means is that over there the library? The next is あちらが学校の正門です means that over there is the school main gate. The next example is 秋はどちらですか means which way is the station. So the next is こちらへどうぞお入りください means this way please come in. The next is そちらの席に座ってもいいですか means may I sit in that seat over there? The next example is あちらへ歩いて行きましょう means let's walk that way. The next is どちらの出口から出ればいいですか means which exit should I take? The next is こちらの部屋はとても hiroi desu means this room is very spacious. The next is Sochira ni mo itso itotsu no kaigishitsu ga arimasu means there is another meeting room over there. So next example, polite way of referring to someone. So the first example is Kochira wa watashi no yujin desu means this is my friend. The next is Sochira no kata wa donada desu ka means who is that person over there. And the next is Achira no sensei wa totemo shinshitsu desu means that teacher over there is very kind. The next is Dochira sama desho ka means may I ask who you are. The next example is Kochira no sensei ga Nihongo o oshiete imasu means this teacher teach Japanese. The next is Sochira no shajo to ohanashi dekimasu ka means may I speak with your company's president. So the next is Achira no kata wa adarashii shain desu means that person over there is the new employee. So the next is Dochira no sensei ga eiga o oshiete imasu ka means which teacher teaches English. So the next one is Kochira no kata ga osusume desu means this person is recommended. So the next one is Sochira no hito, Sochira no jinji, tanto sha to renraku ga toremasu ka means can I contact your HR representative? So the object and choices. So the first is Kochira no hon wa totemo omoshiroi desu means this book is very interesting. The next is Sochira no pasogon o tsukatte mo ii desu ka means can I use the computer over there? And the next is Achira no kaban wa watashi no momo desu means that bag over there is mine. And the next is Dochira no keitai ga atarashii desu ka means which phone is new. The next one is Kochira no okashi wa totemo oishii desu means this snack is very delicious. The next is Sochira no fuku mo kawaii desu ne means that clothing over there is also cute. So the next one is Achira no tsukue o tsukatte kudasai means please use that desk over there. The next one is Dochira no tokei ga takai desu ka means which watch is expensive. So the next one is Kochira no sumaho wa shaishin modelu desu means this smartphone is the latest model. The next one is Sochira no shimbun o yondemo ii desu ka means may I read the newspaper over there. Examples with directions with verbs. So the first one is Kochira ni kette kudasai means please come this way. The next is Sochira e susonde kudasai means please proceed that way. The next is Achira ni degochi ga arimasu means there is an exit over there. So the next is Dochira e iketai desu ka means which way do you want to go? So the next is Kochira kara o hairi kudasai means please enter from this way. The next example is Sochira ni narande kudasai means please line up over there. The next is Achira e idou shite kudasai. Means please move over there. So the next is Dochira no michi o erabimasu ka? Means which road will you choose? The next is Kochira de omachi kudasai. Means please wait here. The next example is Sochira ni nimotsu o oite kudasai. Means please put your luggage over there. Now let's see some questions. So question number 1 is Eki wa dochira desu ka? Means where is the station? So the answer would be Kochira no machi o masugu itte kudasai. Means please go right straight. Please go straight this way. And the answer also Sochira no tademono ushiri ni arimasu. Means it is behind that building over there. And the third answer, possible answer is Achira no kado o migi ni maguru to miemasu. Means if you turn right at that corner, you will see it. The next question is Dochira no kaban ga anata no desu ka? Means which bag is yours? So the first possible answer is Kochira no kurui kaban desu. Means this black bag is mine. The second answer is Sochira no oi kaban wa watashi no desu. Means that blue bag over there is mine. The third possible answer is Achira no oki kaban ga watashi no mono desu. Means that bag over there is mine. The question number third is Dochira ga Tanaka-san desu ka? Means which one is Mr. Tanaka-san? The first possible answer is Kochira no kata ga Tanaka-san desu. Means this person here is Mr. Tanaka. And the second is Sochira ni totte iru kata desu ka? This. So the answer would be, so the question number third is Dochira ga Tanaka-san desu ka? Means which one is Mr. Tanaka? So the first possible answer is Kochira no kata ga Tanaka-san desu. Means this person here is Mr. Tanaka. The second is Sochira ni tatte iru kata desu. Means the person standing over there. And the third possible answer is Achira no tsu o kitte iru hito desu. Means the person wearing a suit over there. So the fourth question is Dochira no sumaho ga atarashi desu ka? Means which smartphone is newer? So the first possible answer is Kochira no sumaho ga shaishin modelu desu. Means this smartphone is the latest model. And the second possible answer is Sochira no sumaho mo atarashii desu ga sukoshi furui desu. Means that smartphone over there is also new, but it a bit older. The third possible answer is Achira no sumaho ga ichiban atarashii desu. Means that smartphone over there is the newest one.